Guard, China Coast Guard, 5302. This is Indonesian Coast Guard calling you over.
This is China Coast Guard answer.
Yes, sir. As information, sir, you are in Indonesian waters.
No. No, I protect my business ship.
Yes, sir. You are in Indonesian waters, sir. Please move away and go back to your territory, sir.
This is China Coast Guard 5302. We are carrying out patrol in the sea area under the jurisdiction of the People's Republic of China. Your vessel has entered the sea area under the jurisdiction of the People's Republic of China. China has indisputable sovereignty over the island in South China Sea and the adjacent waters, and enjoys sovereign rights and jurisdiction in the relevant waters, as well as the seabed and subsoil.